motherfucker. I've been out the way, I stay away from stunting the growth. Margarita party, anybody? Wow. Does it look messy? Shh. Guys, the paparazzi, they're over at my house. Trying to catch the first glimpse of this episode. Gotta keep this hoe clean. Strong. I'm a strong woman. Was that just butterflies around me? Butterflies are unpaid actors. Come to me, my children. What the? Ooh. And then our flour. A splash of baking soda went in my mouth. Oleo, my comrade, we wanna go home. Hey, yo, boo boo day, yo. Till I come, we wanna go home. Till I come. I forgot all the quotes to Beetlejuice. Haven't seen it in a while, so I'm sorry. Cut. Yeah. Miss Trunchbull. I'm away. Oh my God. How the frick should I do this? What is that? Oh, nothing. Oh, no. Picture perfect memories. Cut. I'm juicing myself right now. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but that means it's a good potato. There's a spot on my glasses. Change gloves. Garbage day. Oh God, I dropped the shrimp. Oops, another man down. This is the cooking the shrimp dance. Oh. Cheese break. Excited for today's episode. Here I go. I was about to say carne asada. Sorry. And our steak is gonna go right on top of this. It's good. Until it combines. Guys, we didn't taste test. Just eating chips. Jeez, it's the universe telling me no samples. Please stop winning. Changing my gloves because that was crazy and my hair went all over the place. No. Did I sample the cheese? I don't think I did. Guys, you see how windy it is? Windbreak. Oh my God, I gotta change gloves. It's not easy having an outdoor cooking show. Bitch, what the fuck? You two get me a marker. On the road we blaze. What a beautiful day to be Chel. Like, it's not even hot. I have to practice my Chel walk. I just need wind. What a mess. Is this thing on? Oh no. Come on, you little line. Let me just go ahead and wipe that down. No. No. Oh, what the hell? I'm a mess. Shout it. It's your birthday. We gon' party like a rabbit. You could find me in the club, a bottle full of bug. Look, mommy, I got that X if you wouldn't take it. I ain't gonna make a love, so come give me. Quick round of birthday songs. Happy birthday, happy birthday. It's your birthday, so I know you want to run. What's another birthday song? This is all I got this year. I think it was the same as last year. Time to celebrate. Bye-bye. Subscribe to my channel. Oh my god. Santa baby, slip a sable onto the tray for me. So let's get in today's the police and dogs. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Joy to the world. What is everybody's favorite holiday song? Because I think I really love This Christmas by Chris Brown. And this Christmas will be. Or I love a little Santa baby, slip a sable onto the tray for me. Merry Christmas. You guys know this always happens to me. I always have an issue with the weather. Usually for 4th of July or New Year's, my neighbors just do fireworks. See, I'm not lying. Ah! Come on, it's 4th of July. Oh! I actually don't like it at all. It's almost done. Okay. That was actually scary. Well, happy 4th of July. Here's the wind. I didn't lie. What is that? Is this a prank? Oh my god. Hello? 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 No. Time. Ah! Okay. Let me do this front before I keep yapping. Oh my god. They're trying to get me. Alright, dramatic. And then we're just gonna do little splotches. I'm not gonna know if it's a bug or a chocolate chip. You ever fought anybody before? I have. Never fails. The paparazzi's here. Goddamn. How many planes? Damn. And an extra sweet. Oh, ew, that was huge. It's not windy today. It's my lucky day. What did I say? What am I trying to say? That was terrible. There's no bugs and no wind. It's too good to be true. Never fails. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? The seasoning's gonna start making me sneezing in. Oh Lord. Don't play with me right now.
Been laying low and getting to some plays with the bros. People hitting me about so and so.